So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is episode number 20 of our LeetCode series, and today we are solving LeetCode problem number 263, ugly numbers. This is a simple maths-based problem, so let's solve step by step in CPP language. Let's first read this question. This question says, an ugly number is a positive integer which does not have a prime factor other than 2, 3 and 5. Given an integer n, return true if n is an ugly number. Let's see an example number 1. Input n is given 6, so output is true because 6 is equals to 2 into 3. And example number 2, n equals to 1. It is also true because 1 has no prime factors. Example number 3, input n is equals to 14. It is false because 14 is not an ugly since it includes the prime factor 7. Okay, so basically in this question, try to tell us is a number is called an ugly number if its prime factor only includes 2, 3 and 5. We need to return true if the given number is ugly, otherwise return false. Okay, so the simplest logic which we are going to use over here is we repeatedly divide the number by 2, 3 and 5 as long as it can be divisible, and at the end if the number becomes 1, then it is an ugly number, otherwise it is not an ugly number. So let's see the code for it. Okay, what we are going to use over here is we will be writing if condition, then we will be for checking whether the number is greater than or equals to 0 or not. So let's write an condition if n is less than or equals to 0, then we need to return false because we cannot check anything inside that. Now we are going to run 3 while loops, and inside that we will be writing the condition for dividing it by 2, 3 and 5. So let's write a while condition, while loop, inside which if n divisible by not 0, minus sign, yeah, by 0, then what we need to do is n is equals to n divided by 2. Yeah, so this is our condition for checking if the number is divisible by 2 or not, and then same we will be doing it for 3 and 5. Divide by 3 is equals to 0, n is equals to n divided by 3, and the same thing for the 5 also. N divided by 5 is equals to 0, then n equals to n divided by 5. Yeah, as you can see, we have written all the condition. At last we will be returning n is equals to 1. If this is true, then it is an ugly number, or else it is not an ugly. Let's check the code. Yeah, as you can see, our cases has been accepted, so our code and logic is completely correct, and this was the simplest way to solve this question. Yeah, as you can see, it is also submitted. So yeah, that's it for today's problem. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Also comment which LeetCode problem you want me to solve next. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the episode number 21. Till then, take care. Bye bye.